Building a custom recruiting workflow on Top Echelon is one of the best ways to streamline your recruitment process and ensure you're making the most of your time and resources. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to create a workflow tailored specifically to your needs using this powerful software. First off, Top Echelon provides a user-friendly platform that's designed to help recruiting professionals manage their workflow, track candidates, and ultimately close more placements. The beauty of the system is its flexibility. It allows you to tailor your recruiting process to match your specific goals and needs, which is exactly what we're going to dive into today. Start by accessing the Workflows section in your Top Echelon account. You'll find this under the Settings or Tools menu, depending on your version. This is where you can start building and customizing your workflows. Each workflow will essentially be a series of steps that your team can follow from start to finish, whether you're sourcing candidates, communicating with clients, or closing a deal. To build a custom recruiting workflow, you'll first want to map out the process. Think of your workflow as a step-by-step checklist. What happens first? What comes next? Top Echelon gives you the flexibility to choose the right actions at every stage. You can create stages like initial candidate contact, client interview, and offer extended. These stages can be customized with different actions, such as sending an email, scheduling a call, or marking a candidate as qualified. Now, once you've defined your stages, you'll want to start adding automation. This is where Top Echelon really shines. You can automate many tasks like sending reminder emails or moving candidates through the pipeline based on predefined criteria. This automation helps you stay on top of everything without having to constantly track each task manually. For example, you can automate emails to candidates or clients when they reach a certain stage in the process, ensuring you're always in touch at the right time. Another powerful feature is Top Echelon's integration with job boards and other recruitment tools. As you're building your workflow, you can pull in data from these external sources, allowing for seamless tracking and communication. Whether you're posting jobs, reviewing resumes, or managing client relationships, Top Echelon can pull everything together in one place. Don't forget the reporting feature. Top Echelon also provides comprehensive reporting that gives you insight into how your recruiting process is performing. You can track the success of each workflow, measure the time spent on each stage, and identify any bottlenecks in the process. This data can be used to refine and optimize your workflow, ensuring you're always improving. Before I wrap up, let me remind you, you can try Top Echelon for free using the link in the description below. We've also got exclusive bonuses for those who sign up through our link, which will make your experience even better. Building a custom recruiting workflow on Top Echelon is a great way to save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately close more placements. You've got the flexibility to customize it to suit your specific needs, and the automation features will keep you on top of things without extra effort. So if you're ready to get started with Top Echelon and streamline your recruiting process, don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial linked below. Let's build your recruiting workflow today, and I'll see you in the next video.